In this tutorial, we'll use Copilot in Microsoft Word to generate a list of 10 anagrams based on common fruit names. Here's the prompt that I intend to use. It says, create a list of 10 anagrams based on common fruit names. Include the scrambled word and the correct answer. We now click onto here and we wait until it's finished. And here comes the result. And you can see you have got 10 fruit names and the anagrams. So it's then a question of clicking here on keep it. So we can see we have 10 scrambled words and following each word is the answer. So it's a question now of checking to see if these are correct. Let's have a look at the first one. We can see these are the mixed up letters and it's telling us that the answer is apple. So we need to check that it is correct. So we can see we have A, we can see we have two P's, we have the L and the E. And all of those letters appear in apple and there's no erroneous letters. It's then a question of checking this one to see if that's correct, but I'll let you do that. The thing is here, however, if I wanted to hand this out for people to do in a party or something like that, I wouldn't want to present it in this way. I would prefer for the mixed up letters to appear in a list 1 to 10 and below that to have the answers listed 1 to 10. So it's a question now of going back to Copilot and saying to it, can you give me these as two lists? Click on to here and this will appear. And now I'm going to type into here the altered prompt. It'll be more or less the same. I'll just add a little bit at the end. So let's see what I have actually come up with. So I'll paste it in to save you watching me have to type it. And it says, create a list of 10 anagrams based on common fruit names. Include the scrambled word and the correct answer as two separate numbered lists. That's the addition, as two separate numbered lists. Click here and let's see what Copilot and Word comes up with. So it's creating a draft and we just have to wait. It's finished. So now I'm going to click on to keep it and let's have a look at what's being produced. So you can see here we have scrambled fruit names from 1 through to 10. And if I scroll down, you can see here we have the answers from 1 to 10. If we look to the first one, we know this should be apple. And if we look to the answer here, we can see indeed it is giving us apple. This one is banana. And if you look here, it's banana. So it's a question of checking all of these from 1 to 10. Of course, now it means you could just print this out and dish it out to everybody you want to involve in the game of solving this, and you can keep the answers on a separate bit of paper. That's it, really. Now, before we come to the end of this video, remember earlier I said it's important to check to see if what's been given by Copilot is correct. Well, let's have a look at 3. This is the scrambled letters, and come down here and you can see it's mango. Well, have a look at mango and come back up here and ask yourself, what's this E doing here? So clearly, this is not the scrambled letters for mango. If I was to delete this E, that's fair enough, it will now be. So you always have to check what's given. The thing is, this is still a much more efficient way of doing things than doing the lists yourself. If you look elsewhere, can you see any other mistakes? Well, let's reference this one, the 5th one in the list, and go down to see what it says the answer is. And you can see it says orange. And you can see there's an A in orange. Have a look at this. There's no A in it, so that's wrong as well. So you always need to check what's given by Copilot. Now, ultimately, These errors that creep in when you use artificial intelligence will get less and less, but you should never trust it 100%. It's always important to check what is given. I will put the prompt in the description of this video for you to have a go yourself at producing anagrams, and I'll put in the second prompt, the one that I had the addition at the end, asking for it to be displayed as two lists.